Okay, hi. So basically, I'm doing this collaboration project with people on Instagram where we each do our makeup like the Eeveelutions from Pokemon. And I am going to transform myself into Umbreon. Right now, I'm putting on some foundation. My camera was being really weird and it kept like freezing while I was making this video. So you'll probably notice that, and it's gonna be hard to like do this voiceover, but I'm gonna try my best. Yeah, so here's the foundation. And I'm Serena Raquel, by the way, for those of you who don't know, since I didn't introduce myself. I'm doing this really like red contour, and now I'm filling in my brows. Now adding some highlight to my cheeks and my nose. Then I'm adding some gold eyeshadow to that highlight to make it like really gold, because Umbreon is black and gold. So yeah, I'm just adding a lot of gold. And lip syncing to my music. And sticking my tongue out, apparently. Next, I'm gonna add some red eyeshadow under my eye. Well, I was about to. And then I think I decided against it. And I'm just putting a gold all over the top of my lids. There we go. There's one of the freezes I was talking about. And I'm making sure that there's gold in the inner corners as well. I was rocking out. Okay, now I'm adding black eyeshadow to the outer corners and making like kind of a wing with it. And I'm bringing that down a little bit under my eye as well. And I did go ahead and add the red eyeshadow under my eye. And I'm adding eyeliner now. And now I am adding a bright red, or a dark red lipstick. I wanted to use black, but the black lipstick I have is old and I didn't think it would look good. So I'm just doing a dark red because Umbreon has red eyes. And I didn't put in red contacts, but I did put like the red eyeshadow under my eye and the red lipstick. Now I'm drawing like a gold thing on my forehead. And then I'm gonna put black inside of that to make it look like kind of like a ring, kind of like what Umbreon has around his ears. And now I'm gonna add some false lashes. Those are on, and I added a little mascara to those. And now I'm straightening my hair. This is the one part of the video that actually worked, and it's the boring part where I'm just straightening my hair forever. And it didn't freeze during this part. So enjoy me straightening my hair for a bit. And me and a bunch of other girls are going to post pictures of our finished Eeveelution makeup looks on Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll be seeing that. That should be fun. Still straightening that hair. I'm almost done, I promise. Just floofing up my hair a bit. And I'm gonna show you my outfit. There's my makeup look. I have this Pikachu shirt, but I'm not Pikachu, I'm Umbreon, and I was about to show you my gold pants right there, and the camera just cut out completely. But here's the slideshow of pictures for you, so you can see the finished look. Alright. Bye guys. Hope you liked it.